Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video we will be looking into how to use keyboard controls with React 3 Fiber and ThreeJS. So let's get started. So first I'll show you guys the output. So here you can see once I move a cursor on any sphere, the color gets changed. If I click on it as well, the color gets changed, and if I want to move it, I can just use my arrow key. Here you can see with the help of arrow key I'm able to move it as well. So yeah, that's what this video is all about. So let's get started on how to achieve this. So first just create a React application. I'm using Weed, but if you want you can use any framework as well. Then inside package.json I have just installed React 3 Dre, React 3 Fiber, I have installed Leva, and I have also installed the 3JS dependency. Then here we have also installed @type/3 for TypeScript support. Then I just went into app.tsx. Okay, before that I just created one file called controls.tsx, and here we have this forward, backward, left and right for our arrow keys. Then I have just go to our app.tsx, and here I have okay, I'll just remove this one. Okay, here you can see I have just imported canvas, experience, keyboard control, use memo, and controls from our controls file. There is a controls in React 3 Fiber or 3JS as well, so be careful with the imports. And here I have just used use memo for this particular defining the keys. Alright, and here you can see we have wrapped our canvas with keyboard controls. So here we are passing our map, and here we have our canvas with a position, and here we are wrapping with experience. Now before I show you the experience, I have another TypeScript file called movable sphere. So these are all the spheres which we are defining. Again, these are all the imports for it. I have defined the movement speed as well, and these are all the interface which it takes. Here I have defined one state for whether it is hovered, one state for whether it is selected, and this is used for just changing the cursor, whether depending on whether the it has been hovered or not. And here is our keyboard controls for forward press, for backward pressed, for left pressed, and for right pressed. And depending on whether it is hovered or not, we are changing the color, and if it is selected or not, we are changing the color. Then here is our ref as well, where we pass our mesh, and inside the use frame, depending on whether the button is pressed, the arrow keys I mean, we are just changing the position of our spheres. That's all we are doing over here. And here you can see I have defined a mesh, we are assigning the ref, we are assigning the position, and inside on pointer enter we just do this, on pointer leave, this is for on click, and this is for on pointer meshed, and here is our sphere geometry, and here is our mesh standard material. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Then let's go to experience.tsx, and here you can see I have just made use of this movable sphere 3 times. I have set the position as well over here, and here we are just using the contact shadows, as you can see, for shadows, and here the environment is preset equal to sunset. So yeah, that's how you can use keyboard controls. Thank you for watching. Bye.